Before the opening bell to start off a new week, U.S. indices, they were lower on Friday, pressured by shares in consumer durables and apparel, banks and retailing sectors. Employers adding 292,000 workers to its payrolls in December, while November payrolls were revised upward from 211,000 to 252,000, and the unemployment rate holding steady at a 7-year low of 5%. Decliners, meanwhile, ahead of advancers, 84% of SP500 constituents trading lower on Friday. Now, after the market closed, Thermo Fisher Scientific and Affymetrix, announcing their boards of directors, have unanimously approved Thermo Fisher's acquisition of Affymetrix for $14 per share in cash. That transaction represents a purchase price of approximately $1.3 billion. Macy's being urged by Starboard to engage in real estate deals. This reported by the Wall Street Journal, citing letter and presentations sent to the company. And Alcoa getting $1.5 billion in a supply contract from General Electric's aviation unit. This reported by the Wall Street Journal. Now, turning overseas, the Asian markets falling today. The Nikkei down 0.39%. The Hang Seng down nearly 2.75%. And South Korea's Kospi starting the week in the red, 1.19%. China's CPI growing 1.6% year over year in December, while its PPI dropped 5.9% year over year. Also, European markets are flat and U.S. futures calling for a positive opening. Now, earnings releases expected for today. We have Alcoa fourth quarter EPS seen at 3 cents versus 33 cents 1 year ago. And on the economic data front, there are no major economic reports. So regarding the trend on indices, Trading Central says the S&P 500, that's under pressure. As long as 1960 is the resistance, look for choppy price action with a bearish bias. Short positions below 1960 are favored, with targets at 1893 and 1875 in extension. Onto the Nasdaq, that's under pressure, preferring short positions below 4370, and the Dow Jones on the downside, preferring short positions below 16,600.